Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex market data into digestible information for traders of all levels. Today, September 24th, we're diving deep into the QQQ, the Nasdaq 100 tracker, and uncovering the forces driving its current price action. We'll examine the latest news and events impacting the Nasdaq, analyze the candlestick charts across multiple timeframes, and identify key price levels, support and resistance, and potential trends. Get ready for an in-depth analysis that will equip you with the tools and insights to make informed trading decisions. The Nasdaq has been on a tear recently, fueled by a string of positive economic news, including the Federal Reserve's recent rate cut. Investors are increasingly optimistic about the market's future, and this is reflected in the QQQ's strong price action. We can see a clear uptrend on the daily chart, with higher highs and higher lows, indicating a strong bullish bias. The recent rate cut has been a major catalyst for this rally, as it has boosted investor confidence and increased the flow of capital into the stock market. Looking at the daily chart, we can identify a key resistance level around 485, where the QQQ has encountered some selling pressure in the past. However, the recent bullish momentum has pushed the price through this level, suggesting a potential breakout and further upside in the short term. The next significant resistance level to watch is around 495, which could be a challenging hurdle for the bulls to overcome. However, if the QQQ manages to break through this level, it could signal a continuation of the current uptrend and open the door for a move toward the 500 level. The daily chart also shows a strong support level around 470, where the price has found buyers on multiple occasions. This level could serve as a critical area of support for the bulls if the market experiences a pullback. A break below this level could signal a weakening of the bullish momentum and potentially lead to a deeper correction in the short term. However, as long as the price remains above this support level, the overall bullish trend remains intact. Let's now zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action and potential short-term opportunities. The 1-hour chart confirms the bullish trend that we saw on the daily chart, with the price consistently making higher highs and higher lows. We can see that the QQQ has been trading above its 20-period moving average, which is another positive sign for the bulls. However, the price has encountered some resistance in the 482 to 483 range, which could provide a potential entry point for short-term traders looking to sell. The current price action suggests that the QQQ could consolidate in this range for a few hours before potentially breaking out to the upside or pulling back to the downside. We can also see a potential bullish divergence forming on the 1-hour chart, which could suggest that the price is poised for a rebound. The RSI indicator has been making higher lows while the price has been making lower lows, which is a classic bullish divergence pattern. If the price manages to break above the recent resistance level, it could confirm this bullish divergence and signal a potential move to the upside. Let's now take a look at the 15-minute chart to see what's happening in the very short term. The 15-minute chart reveals a more volatile price action, with the price bouncing back and forth within a narrow range. We can see a clear support level around 482 and a resistance level around 483, which are currently acting as a trading channel for the price. The recent price action suggests that the QQQ could consolidate in this range for the next few hours before potentially breaking out to the upside or pulling back to the downside. However, it's important to note that the overall bullish trend remains intact, and the QQQ could easily break through the current resistance level and continue its upward momentum. Keep an eye on the volume levels, as increased volume can indicate a stronger move in the direction of the trend. If we see a surge in volume on a breakout above the 483 resistance level, it could signal a powerful bullish move. Let's recap the key price levels to watch for in the QQQ. On the daily chart, we identified a key resistance level around 495, which could be a challenging hurdle for the bulls to overcome. However, if the QQQ manages to break through this level, it could signal a continuation of the current uptrend and open the door for a move toward the 500 level. We also identified a strong support level around 470, where the price has found buyers on multiple occasions. This level could serve as a critical area of support for the bulls if the market experiences a pullback. On the 1-hour chart, we identified potential short-term opportunities around the 482 to 483 range, where the QQQ has encountered some resistance in the past. If the price manages to break above this range, it could signal a continuation of the current bullish trend and open the door for a move to the upside. However, if the price pulls back below this range, it could signal a weakening of the bullish momentum and potentially lead to a deeper correction in the short term. On the 15-minute chart, we identified a trading channel between the 482 support level and the 483 resistance level. The QQQ could consolidate in this range for the next few hours before potentially breaking out to the upside or pulling back to the downside. It's important to remember that the market is always in a state of flux and can move in unexpected ways. However, by analyzing the charts and staying informed about the latest news and events, we can position ourselves to take advantage of potential opportunities. Remember to use appropriate risk management strategies and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for joining us on Explain the Charts. We hope this analysis has provided you with valuable insights into the QQQ. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth chart analysis and market commentary. Until next time, happy trading!